All right, guys, I just decided to make a quick little clip for you guys. That's gonna be in a series, another video. This time we're doing the headlights. I'm currently building the headlights right now. I even painted the internals. This was chrome, and then this was chrome. So I painted those, and then I painted the reflectors here, so it would have blacked out internals. But this is everything that I have to wire up. I probably won't be filming a lot of this because it's a very tedious process, and I really want to concentrate and not fuck it up, you know, trying to get it right the first time. But this box here, I will be running demonized, so that's what that box is there. This box is for the flow series. I also got all of this stuff from Lightning Trend, guys, besides these. I don't think they sell demonized, and I think they do, but it's just a light bulb. For this, these are the, I'm thinking. Come back to that. These are the halos that I have. I want to control the halos individually from the DRLs, the daylight running lights. So I want to control those separate. Have, you know, the DRLs run one color and have the halos run another color. Just remembering, these are for the LED strips. All right, so I have turn signals in my headlights, you know. I guess, oh, here you go, here's a perfect example. I have installed LED strips going this way. They're, what is it, not sequential, but they're switchback, so it will be amber, but it'll also be white, you know, it'll go back. But I upgraded to the flow series. Here you guys are, Bluetooth flow series from Lightning Trends. It was about like 240 bucks maybe. And so I'll be running those as well. And also got a wiring headlights too. Where are they? I didn't start the process yet, but I got a wiring headlights too. Those are here. Those are LED headlights. I know you're supposed to really run what is it? I have projectors, so you're not really supposed to put LEDs on projectors, but I mean, why not? Why not try it? So we're gonna see how it goes and whatever. What are these? I think these are for. Yep, these are for the strips as well. So that's that. I'm gonna keep you guys updated as the process go along, and I'll see you in the next clip. All right, we're back. I tried my best to wire it as neatly as possible. I just added more lights than what I had before, so you know, a lot of this would be covered, but I'm not gonna leave it this way. I'm actually gonna tuck it down here and, you know, make it nice and easy, zip tie it to where it needs to be so that it's nice and stable. A lot of this would be covered anyway because of that cover back there. So I got, you know, basically mostly everything routed. I'm just waiting on the Lightning Trends to get back to me about this because I'm not sure what to do with the green, not the green, oh my god, the blue and black and the red and black, because this wire here, well, that goes to the Bluetooth. This wire here, you know, goes into one of these, and so do the headlights. So I got to figure out which ones to use, and then tape off the other ones since I won't be using them. The Demon Eyes also come with a fuse tap. So you basically find a live 12-volt fuse, and you pop it out. You put this one in it, and that fuse you popped out, you basically place into here. So for the most part, that's about it. I have to wait for them to get back to me about that, so I can't really do anything. I'm at a dead stop. I want to make sure everything works before putting the headlights back together, and then to, you know, there you go, make sure everything works before putting it back together, because it's a bitch to open them again. So we're gonna put those, well, I'll take them into the house, but we're gonna put the headlights back together. We're going to then come back out here, see if everything works fine, and then I'm not gonna show you guys that part. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. But I'm gonna come back out here and make sure everything works up great, and then I'm going to then seal them back up, bake them in the oven, and then put them back on the car and see how that goes. Alright guys, so I didn't film much of it because I just wanted to kind of, like, you know, focus and get out of the way. But drain plug, fill plug. We're currently doing the transmission, flushing the fluid from the transmission here. You can see big old mess, right? So basically, when you order this kit, it comes with instructions. It tells you that you need an Allen key, a 8mm, and an 8mm socket with an extension because you need that extra leverage to break the drain and fill plug loose. So right now we're letting it drain, and once that goes about 5 and 10 minutes, it says, so we're gonna let that drain. Oh. All right, there you go. So we should be able to put the drain plug back in and then fill the transmission with the correct fluid to the correct capacity. And this should really help us with the notchiness in the MT82. So I'll keep you guys posted. All right, so drain plug back in. I'm just gonna wipe the surface because you can't ever be too safe, right? It also says if you want to torque this to 26 pound-feet, 26 foot-pounds. Hey, said it the wrong way. And if you don't have a torque wrench, I do have a torque wrench. I just don't want to break that big shit out. So it also says that you can add firm pressure. So you want to finger tighten it first, obviously. So I'll say right about there. That should be good. No more than that, because it's transmission control. Right. So that's the fill plug. I'm gonna try and wipe this down a little bit too. So we're gonna get the bottle, which is we're gonna move this out. I don't have a proper drain pan, so we use a bucket around here because we broke boys, right? Move that out. Big ass mess. Move from underneath the car. This is a tight space. Okay. This is the bottle. So what you're gonna do is, let me get the instructions too. If you lose your instructions, they will kindly, if you email them, they will send you a PDF form of them. So this is basically the instructions. Basically, I already read through them. You know, it gives you the tools to use. Yeah, these pictures are nice. So here you go, 26 foot-pounds. Basically, I'm here right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this into the fill tube. It is tight under there, so you're gonna take some patience. And you just start pumping. You want to be careful not to overfill it. It does state that down here, and it does give you a little cup too to make sure that you have a good amount left. I have no clue what that is just yet, but we'll see. But it does come with 2 tubes, and you put the shorter one into the pump, you screw the pump on, and then you start pumping once you get in the fill tube. So I'm gonna start that, and I'll get back underneath the car, show you guys. All right, so we got it in there, as you can see there. We can focus. So we're gonna start pumping it, and this is gonna take some time. So what just happened? All right, well, there that is. So I gotta put that back on here, but I'm gonna be back with you guys. This is hard to do with 2 hands, so we're gonna do that, and I'll show you guys at the end, I guess. So I've been spent like the past 3 minutes pumping, bro. Like, you on the floor and you're doing this in the garage. GG, because this shit takes a toll on your hands. Just constantly doing this. That's all I'm doing until it's in there. So GG. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, and just like that, we're done. Got the drain plug tightened up, got the fill plug tightened up. We didn't do any of that without a mess. So if you managed to do this and not get messy, kudos to you, sir. I'm just messy when it comes to these things. I got some big hands, and I'm a big boy, and I'm in a tight confined spot, so space. So there's that. You can see the MGW right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. The whole assembly back there. Let me stop. All right, so I got a new shifter I want to show you guys. It's a weighted shifter. I got it color matched to the car. The car is grabber blue, so we're gonna throw that on. No power to the car. No power to the car. Okay. Pop my big ass up in here. All right. So, this is the shifter I bought with the car. I bought this car 2 years ago. RTR shifter is great. It's nice and all, but it's not what I wanted. So, ooh, what was that? And this box here, little tiny box, right? I forgot where I got this shifter from, but I'll link it down in the bio, in the description below. But hold on, let me see if we can get out of here. Nice grabber blue one. Nice weighted. It does got some weight to it. I don't know how to show you guys that through camera, right? Let me see if I can get out of here. Come here, boy. Stop playing. Alright, so beautiful, right? So we're going to, ooh, I got some weight to it. So we're gonna unscrew the black one, this one, screw this puppy back on, screw this on, and then see if I can do that with one hand actually, can I? Ooh! Ooh, that was easy. Oh. Let me see if I can, how deep does this go? So that has to come off. This adapter has to come off. I think I need a wrench for that. Do I? Yeah, wait. Yeah, I need a wrench for that. So I'm gonna go grab a wrench and we're gonna pop this on. All right, so we done knocked this bad boy loose with the good old squeezy boys. Just screw it off like that. The little adapter for the other shifter. I think the shifter should sit a lot lower now since I just removed that adapter. Pop the new one on. Ooh. Ooh, hold on. Let me see if I can, I don't want to cross thread this thing. All right, hold on. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I've been beasting for a weighted shifter. I don't know about you guys, but you should definitely get one. Wait, I don't want that boot to spin. I can't do this with one hand. Let me see if I can set the phone here. No, I can't. Wait. No, I can't. So, bear with me. I can turn this way. So, hold the boot still while I twist it still. So, damn, that shit still going. Ooh, we in there. We in there like swimwear, bro. Alright, so. Ooh, my God. I'm happy with that. I'm definitely happy with that. I'm gonna fix the boot though off camera because I don't really want to film that. You guys don't really need to see that. So, but adapter off, new shifters off, new balls off, new shifter knob off, and this is what it looks like. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know. I have a friend that has a Saab, and his shifter is cheeks, so I might just give him this one. I don't even know if it'll fit. I don't think it will because of the thread pattern. But if we can somehow like do a DIY, then probably give this to him. But that's the new shifter. I want some carbon fiber pieces, bro. Little ball short just chilling. I want the digital cluster. We definitely gotta make the cockpit. What is it? Cockpit. Definitely spice it up in here because right now this is just looking plain. But thank you guys so much for watching to the very end. If you got any questions about everything that we did today, please comment down below. I will be posting everything in the description. Everything that as far as transmission fluid and the shifter knob, where I got that from. But thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.